The performance and lifespan of linear guides significantly impact equipment efficiency and stability. Rusting is a common issue, leading to decreased precision, increased friction, and potential damage. This article discusses the reasons for rusting and offers solutions and maintenance tips. Reasons for rusting. High humidity moisture accelerates rusting, and handling guides with sweaty hands can also cause rust. Material issue. If the guide material is not corrosion resistant or surface treatment is inadequate, rust is more likely. Long-term non-use. Lack of regular rust prevention treatment on unused guides can lead to rust. Solutions after rusting. Mild rust. Use a professional rust remover and apply anti-rust oil. Moderate rust. Polish to remove rust and then treat with anti-rust agents. Severe rust. Replace the guide if it's severely rusted and no longer functional. Correct maintenance method. Regular cleaning. Keep the guide clean and dry, removing oil and water stains. Anti-rust treatment. Apply anti-rust oil or agents after cleaning to prevent rusting.